there is the possibility that a man can trap the sounds of God, and not just that after trapping it, something will happen that the Bible says the countenance of that man will be changed. That somebody can be sick and can be weak just by coming to the church, and there is a dimension of what the preacher has said. He trapped it, the person go back healed. Why? Because the person is open to a sound, and the Bible says that sound can make that person's face to be changed. Ecclesiastes chapter 8 verse 1, he said, who is as the wise man that knoweth the interpretation of a thing? He said, for his face, the countenance of his face shall be changed. Proverbs 28 verse 1 say, the righteous, he said, the righteous are as bold as an iron. The Bible says in the book of Proverbs 17:22, he said, for a merry heart doeth like a medicine, but a broken spirit drieth the bones. Joy is of the spirit. That when a man comes to that point where he has been able to have a dimension in God, it does not matter the circumstances around that person will always be happy. If you like step on the person will be the one to tell you sorry. Why? Because there's a river that flows from that person. That's why the Bible says, out of my belly shall flow the rivers of living water. I was calling the place today in the book of Revelation 22. The Bible says there shall come forth a pure living water out of the throne of God. So joy is like a river that flows. It flows from within. It's not about the circumstances of a man. And when a man trap that, the Bible says that man that trap that sound, the man is a blessed man. And therefore the joy that man has trapped will change the countenance of that man. So whenever we come to the house of the Lord, one of the things we should ever go to tune our heart to is to be able to trap a sound. Nehemiah 8 verse 10, he says, for the joy of the Lord is my strength. But a man can be weak, a man can be feeble, a man can be unfruitful, but once that man has joy, that man becomes strong. Because Daniel that began to reveal to us in Daniel 11:32, he said, they that know their God, they shall be what? Strong. The knowing there is beyond having the knowledge of God. It's beyond having, say Genesis chapter 1 verse 1, in the beginning God created. No, it is beyond that. It is when a man has come to a point of fraternity with God, that man begins to operate in the realm of God. And that by so doing, that man have what they call joy. Joy, like our brother said, is different from happiness. Happiness is based on the circumstances of life, but joy is a spirit. Quickly, I want to show you 3 things about joy before I begin to press it. 3 major things about joy. Joy overflow in my heart. There is joy, joy, joy.